In this video, I will be showing you how to add a horizontal line in Canva. Let's get started. To begin, I navigate to the Canva dashboard home screen. I move my mouse over to the left navigation panel and click on the purple Create a Design button near the top corner. A drop-down menu opens showing various design options. I scroll down and select YouTube Thumbnail, which automatically opens a fresh, blank canvas in a new editing window. Once the editing workspace loads, I direct my attention to the vertical sidebar panel on the left side. Here, I click on the Elements tab to open Canva's media library containing graphics, icons, and shapes. I look under the main categories and locate the Shapes section, where basic lines and simple forms are stored. I click on the Straight Line element, which instantly places a thin horizontal line onto the center of my canvas. Now, I want to extend this line across the full width of my design layout. I select the line and grab the small circular handle on its right side, dragging it outwards toward the right edge of the canvas until it stretches out fully. Next, I click on the circular handle on the far left side and drag it out toward the left edge, keeping the line perfectly level at 0 degrees while covering the entire canvas horizontally. With the line stretched into position, I can now customize its appearance. I click on the line color icon on the top toolbar to open the color palette on the left panel. I scroll down through the solid colors and select a deep blue shade, which instantly updates the line color. Next, I click on the Line Style button right next to the color picker to adjust the line thickness. I grab the stroke weight slider and drag it to the right to increase the thickness, setting it to 20 so the line looks bold. To create a layered look, I right-click directly on the line to open the menu and select Duplicate. A second line appears. I drag this new line downwards, positioning it neatly right below the first one using Smart Guides. Finally, I click the Line Color tool again and pick a slightly lighter blue shade for this second line. I click on the canvas to deselect everything and inspect the final design. And there you have it. That's the complete process of how to add horizontal line in Canva.